Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home Food and Healthy Food. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Today we are going to make minced or keema lamb patties. It is cooked with spices, onions and to make a delicious filling. Small disc-shaped patties are formed with this filling. If you don't have lamb, you can try with goat or mutton. Take 275 to 300 grams of minced lamb meat. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half a tablespoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of chili powder. Add few pinches of turmeric. Add half a tablespoon of coriander powder, or adjust as per your taste. Add minced mint and cilantro or coriander leaves. Add 2 to 3 crushed green chilies, or adjust as per your spicy levels. If you have keema masala powder, add half a tablespoon, otherwise add half a tablespoon of garam masala powder. Add half a teaspoon of lime juice. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add half cup of minced onion. Add few threads of saffron. Mix all ingredients well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, apply few drops of oil on your palms. Grab small portion of meat and toss together gently. You don't want to overmix. Now make it like disc shape. Now, on medium-low flame apply few drops of oil or ghee in the frying pan or cast iron skillet. After oil is heated, slowly move patties into the pan, and cook approximately 10 to 15 minutes on each side, or until meat is cooked through. Check if meat is cooked or not. If it's cooked, remove to a plate and serve with onion. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another interesting videos. Until then, stay safe.